I'm going to be making this kind of makeup. So I hope you like it. So here I go. Hold on. I'm going to make a paper towel. A paper towel. Okay. And then you're going to wet it. Okay, you see? Then you're going to take it off. Take off makeup off what you have on. Make sure it's all good. And get all the sink. And then, you see, hold on. Stacy, I got it all off. That's good. Here we go. All off.
To see if it was Michelle and if it was Michelle's car. By the time she got to the bottom floor, the car had already left the car park.
So then you open it down. I'm going to start with the lipstick first. First you put on this. If you have it, you can. Or you can use something else. They did that. Hat on. Put it back on. See? And then I have this. This is what I'm going to put it on. Then you do this. Make sure that the last sparkles. And that I like that. Then look in the mirror. You think it's all good? Say yes. Then you need to have eyeshadow, like this color, this color. Then you need a brush, any brush. It's okay. But I have this brush. So then you go on, I have a makeup. Try to put it in a makeup bag. Then open that eyeshadow here. Then take a little makeup.
What's that noise?
Oh, my tablet. I'll get it. Hold on, guys, I'm coming back.
Trying to get the clothes out of time.
Came back. So, and then you can look in the mirror. Then make sure it's all good. Then so you do one eye, then you do the other eye. Take a little bit, just a little tap.
When you're done, please, with the phone, let me know.
Then a mirror. Done. Think it's all good. Look at your mirror. Do you think it's all good?
What is their wedding, I wonder?
Then you let your brush go away. It's okay. It's gonna go away. And then, thank you for watching my video. So I hope you like it. See you later.